This is NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this smartphone. So, I recommend that you begin by clearing your RAM cache or closing all background active apps. So, launch the list of recent applications and here click Close or tap at the Close button. Then what you can also do is to launch the proprietary built-in cleanup application. Here agree on the terms and, well, just generally TOS. Then provide it with all necessary permissions. And here the app itself will come up with personalized steps you can take in order to free up some storage space and in order to make sure that the amount of storage you have free or left is sufficient. So simply follow the steps that you'll see here. For example, I can clean the junk files. What else I can do? Uninstall unfrequently used applications. But I do not have any. I can also clear app data for like puzzle pads, for example. Or I can just go ahead and uninstall this app altogether. And I would have been able to delete or erase large files, but I do not have any at the moment. So yeah, just use this tool to make sure that you have enough remaining storage. And then what you can also do is launch your device's settings, enter the About Phone category, here tap at the RAM capacity and switch on the extended RAM option. Now select how many additional gigabytes of random access memory you would like to get, or to put it in other words, how many gigabytes of storage you are ready to sacrifice in order to get those additional RAM gigabytes, and then restart your device in order for those features to take effect. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.